Hi, it's Mal from Techtel. I'm here at NAB 2025 on the Telemetrics booth, and we're going to hear from Michael Cuomo about the latest stuff that you've got on show. What's really new and cool here from Telemetrics?
Yeah, thank you, Mal. So here behind me, we have our telescope. So this is a robotic jib. As you can see here, this goes on our standard OmniGlide roving pedestal, but now the big thing is we have a full robotic jib here. So this will go over lens height over 7.5 feet up in the air. And on the unit here, we have time of flight sensors all throughout the unit. There's over 20 across the entire jib, and it's fully safe to be used in studio. So you don't need to worry about running into set pieces or hitting people or anything else.
Because that really is the main thing, isn't it? You've got something that's big like this, it's driven by motors. You need to be safe. You need to make sure the crew are basically being looked after.
Exactly, exactly. Especially when you're controlling it remotely, you're not in the space, so you don't have someone there to look after it. So as with all of our products, safety was a big concern. We're also showing along the same lines, a sensor pack. This can be used with our ceiling track systems or also our roving pedestals. And this further expands the safety on even our standalone rovers, because with this unit, very similar, we have a ton of sensors around it. This will give you a full dome-like coverage around the rover. So if you have any hanging LEDs or larger set pieces or anchor desks, this will provide full protection. It's also used, of course, on the robotic jib.
That is absolutely amazing. I just love the shots that you're going to get from that jib, and just building off the really successful rover base there, that pedestal, that's just going to be something I think so many people are going to want to use in their studios. So if people want more information, Michael, where do they get it from?
Yeah, check out obviously our great partner Techtel for more information, or check out our website at telemetricsinc.com.
Awesome. Have a good show, and thanks for watching.
Thank you.